la khona kuthiwa it's a billionaire club. Kungenwa kulona ngo-1,700 kodwa umuntu ufuna ukuqethuka ufuna ukuba mhlophe ukhanye kuphela it's 5,000 rand up to 5,000 rand. Uzoqethuka kuzokwenziwa yonke into kuwena. Lapho ke bayibiza ukuthi ugeli. Ugeli, how you spell ugeli? UGHELLI. Ugeli. It's a Delta State. Ugeli, it's 8 hours to 9 hours drive. Kodwa umhamba ngebhanoyi wehlika uthatha ibhanoyi straight eLagos wehlike eWari. From eWari umusu usiyafona uthi ngizengila eWari airport, please advise me how to come over there. It's 1 hour sekungakusuka hayibo kahle ukusuka la kuthina uyeMaritzburg 1 hour but eNigeria 3 hours uyeMaritzburg. Akhohliseke eMaritzburg 3 hours ukusho ukuthi la kuthina sesikhuluma 40 kilometers lo 1 hour 40 kilometers indawana eseduzana la uThongata 40 kilometers kusuka eSoweto uya eOR i-distance engakho. Thereafter ke usiyafona ke uthi hayi ngilana I just landed and now please advise me about the address. There is a driver. Musu uthatha ifone uyinika udriver bakhulumeke lesihlanganisi sabakhuluma isihlanganisi emnika ke location exact ukuthi uza kuphi. Inamba yabo nase India ngizokunika. Uthi kubheke la se-India. Ngoba le ndiwo lezi niyazidinga manje thina senivalela ngaphandle. Angeke ngiqale ngale yaseMalawi. EyaseMalawi uma ufuna ukuthatha umsebenzi eMalawi nansi. +265 993 875466. I repeat. I'll write it on the screen now so that you'll see. It is +265. That is Malawi. +265 993 875466. That is Malawi. If you want to go to Malawi. India ngeke uzuye ngiyazi vele ngimosha isikhathi sami. Comes to Nigeria. In Nigeria, this is the number that you call. It is +234. You're writing it down. +234 806. Please write that. 806 504 8149. Those numbers we are going to be calling before. Don't call them when you're in Malawi. Call them while you are here in South Africa. Make an arrangement with John. He's going to help you. Before you go to Malawi, call. Before you go to Nigeria, call as well.